Hello everybody, Asawang Filipina here. So I'm gonna give you some updates of my membership. So if you haven't joined yet, just click the join button level 3. Next to subscribe button is just down here below. And then there's also you can find super thanks. You can also click and send any amount for some donation or donation to my channel or support to my channel. Well, anyway, so the update of our membership, if you haven't joined yet, you have to click the join button level 3. I'm gonna upload a video once a week every Monday, and then at least once a week. What you can expect to my channel is driving videos with different kind of shoes. I upload with different kinds of nail colors in different shoes. So if you want to send some amount to help my channel, you can also go to my description down below. You can see the people account there. In my vlog, I'm using the Toyota Wigo 2018 model. So this, I have to pay 9,500 first going there to the car service for the change oil and some other parts of the car. This is just a small car, but then I spend, so that's about 26,000 in total for the service of the car. But all is already done and complete for the car. So how much more with the big cars, right? We're gonna use more of the car. Here we go. And there's also some requests that like cranking videos, revving engine. Usually I don't do that kind of video because the car that I'm using for my driving, for my vlogging, is my family car. So that's why I'm so careful for that to not to damage the engine. But well, if you want to donate, you can donate a car. Well, because of you guys, it keeps me going and moving and improving for my channel. And of course, I'm so happy that you are there supporting my channel, watching my videos, joining the membership, and also buying my videos. So thank you so much, everyone. I will upload videos to you guys every Monday. So once a week for all of my members. So once a week is already good so that I have more time to do it good. Thank you so much for joining. So if you haven't joined yet, just click the join button level 3. And also there's a super thanks down below in my channel. You can send any amount or any donation there. And also I have posted my PayPal account. You can also support my channel by sending any amount. But if not, don't worry. Join to my membership. And if you like to watch barefoot driving longer videos, go to the membership and click the join button level 3. Of you guys that wants a custom video, you can also message me to my Gmail account. So to watch a longer videos like revving engine, barefoot driving, and different kinds of shoes that I wear for my driving videos, I will also post it to my membership. So that's a private video that you can join for only 1,499. I also earn from you guys, and thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you to my members, and thank you for supporting my business. Oh my gosh, I am a businesswoman now. I did not know about custom video, but because of you guys, I learned how to do it, and then I'm so happy and excited to do it for you guys also. And then together also with my supportive husband that are very supportive to my channel, and just okay enjoy and have fun with it. So this is it. And then for now, I'm using the flat sandal. So we're gonna model this before we end. Okay, I have a kids in the back. This is the sandal. Then I use this one for the driving today. Thank you everyone, and see you next vlog. Bye. Thank you everyone, and see you next vlog. Bye. So
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.